go to your profile icon, click on feature preview and enable new pull request dashboard. On the right side, click on turn on. Similarly, you can enable the dashboard experience as well. So this is also in the preview stage. Upon enabling, you can go to the respective screen and you will be able to see those changes. You have to search in the URL github.com/pulls. So this is your pull request dashboard. Over here, in order to add a new view, you can click on select repository. You can filter by your organization. If you don't have an organization, you can filter by particular repository. So from my organization, I'm filtering my repository over here. So over here, you can see the same. Now you can add your own things over here. For example, if I type closed over here, you can see all the closed pull requests will be appearing over here. So this is how it works. Now going on, maybe from May of 2026, GitHub is going to make this as a default view. So you don't need to enable the feature preview. So it's very important you to know how to create a custom views going on. Now let's try to create one more view. So this is how you can create a new view. You can just name it as your team. So I'm naming it as Recode Team. So I want to pull all the pull requests from my organization. So all the repository pull requests which been happened will be appearing over here. So you can choose an icon which is interesting to you, and over here you can remove the order, and I want to sort out by organization. So I'm just selecting my organization. So you can see all the pull requests being raised in that repository or that organization is appearing over here. So I don't need to go to my organization and each single repository or see who raised the thing. And also you can delete the particular view by clicking over here. Thank you.